Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are dividing 887 divided by 27. This is lesson 22 of the Eureka program. So, first thing we do is round the divisor to the nearest 10, which is 30. Okay, now this is going to help us round that one. So we're going to make multiples of this number, which will be 30. Now I will start with a multiply that one by 10 because that will give me 300. I don't want to start multiplying 30 times 1 equals 30 or 30 times 1 equals 60 because that will take too long. You want to do this quickly. Well, not really quickly. You want to do it exactly. So now, because I'm too far from 887, I'm going to double the 10. And that's going to be 600, the total. Over here, I think I'm going to triple it now because that will bring me closer to 900. 30 times 30 equals 900. So that will be the number that I'm going to round this 887 to. So now 900 can be divided by 30. And now we can say that 90 tenths, because that is equals to 90 tenths divided by 3 tenths. And the answer will be 3 tenths. Just like we had it on the multiplication right here. That's where we got the answer. Okay, now we can do the actual division. The actual division, let me switch colors so we can see better. So the actual division is 887 divided by 27. So this is where the estimation becomes helpful because we can say that the 27 goes into this number 3 times. See, that's the 3 times right here, right? 3 times 7 equals 21. We carry 2 over. 3 times 2 equals 6. Plus 3 equals 8. Now we're going to subtract that from the original number. And the answer here is going to be 7 is the difference. Now we have to lower the 7 so we can regroup and we can divide that number now. So now look at 77. 77, if you look at what we did in the beginning, we can say that 30 times 1 equals 30. 30 times 2 equals 60. And we can do 30 times 3. That will equal 90. That will be too far away from 77. So we're gonna say, see, this estimation is going to help us say that the 27 goes into the 77 twice. So that goes into it twice. So now we can multiply. Let me check the thickness of this. Yes, it is good. 2 times 7 equals 14. We carry 1 over. 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. And the remainder of that will be, well, this will be 3 and this 2. So that will be our remainder. So now, once we divide it, we can now check the multiplication. So we're going to multiply the numbers that we were working on. Let me choose a color. So now I'm going to rewrite I apologize, that's not what we're writing. We're going to check, how do we check with multiplication? We're multiplying the divisor and the quotient. So let me write the quotient. 32 times 27. Okay? So now we're checking. So usually I tell my students, break one of these numbers, if you have difficulties with multiplication, break one of them into two separate numbers. But let's just do it together. 7 times 2 equals 14. We carry 1 over. 7 times 3 equals 21. Plus 1 equals 22. Now we're going to multiply 2 tenths. And remember, 2 tenths is written as 20. So we have to write the 0 that means that we multiply the whole number by 10. Now, 2 times 2 equals 4, and 2 times 3 equals 6. When we total that, it's going to give us a total of 864. So you would say, Mr. Magno, why is, Coach Magnifico, why is it that 864 doesn't equal the whole number that we divided? And the reason is because we still have to add up the 23 that is the remainder. So now we have to add the remainder to this multiplication. So I'm going to do it on the side. 864 plus the remainder which is 23. I'm going to label it here, remainder. So 3 and 4 equals 7, 6 plus 2 equals 8, and 0 plus 8 equals 8. Now let's check to see if that is true. Okay, notice that now that the whole number is the same as the number right here on the bottom. So our division is correct. So we can say that 887 divided by 27 equals 32 with the remainder of 23. Okay, my friends, please watch the videos, become a good mathematician, and get it done. You need to practice to get better at mathematics. Please do so. Coach Magnifico is signing out from Gravity 2.